Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. And in this video today, we are going to talk about Kitab Lovers Book Fair, which is being organized into multiple cities of India. So this time I got an opportunity to just go and dive into their book fair. And in their book fair, what are the things which I have observed, and should you also visit the book fair, and should you buy the books, and if it is about loading the box, which box you should load? That is what we are going to see today in this video. Okay, so as you can see that I've got this 8 books in that load the box concept of 1200. So what you should do when you visit the book fair of the Kitab Lovers. So first of all, let me tell you that there are having two sections. एक section होता है जहाँ पर you will be getting the books which is not a part of load the box concept, and on the other section you have the books from where only you can put the books into the load the box concept. So there are two different sections, and once you go to the place where there are only the books which are there for load the box, there you'll be not only getting new books, but you'll also be getting the books which have been used and not in that great condition as well. So there are approx like 1,000 books I can say, and it depends on you that which one you are having a keen eye to choose on to. So out of these 8 books, was these books in the list of my reading stuff? Then no, I think 7 were to definitely. I have seen them for the first time. I've just gone to the book then and there itself, and then I bought the 7 books. But yes, this book, that is the autobiography of Yogi, this was in my list. It was recommended by my favorite author Robin Sharma. So as soon as I got this book, I just had my hand on it. So why I opted for 1200? The reason is that when I took a round in this load the box books, it was mostly having the books of the concept of crime, the genre of crime, and it was also having the genre of romance and teenage romance, and as you all know, I am a self help lover. तो वहाँ पे उतना ज़्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था नॉन फिक्शनल बुक का, एंड जो ऑप्शंस थे नॉन फिक्शनल बुक के, द बुक्स आई ऑलरेडी हैव विथ मी, सो आई कुडंट was not like initially I thought of like there's nothing for me wala concept, but then of course, as a reader, you always need to try new stuffs. So then I thought that let me see how many books I'd be able to. So then I thought I like this cover page. I've heard about this book. But I don't know how it's gonna be. I also like the concept of this book. And then yeah, on the basis of the title, I'd say that are you really okay? This book I took on the basis of the title. Then this was politically correct, the bedtime story, and it was 63 things not to do before you die. So I really was fascinated by just looking on the title of these books. That's the reason I have taken this book. So what you should do when you go there? So first of all, if you are a crime genre lover and a romance genre lover, then this fair, you're gonna love this because there were so many options for, specifically, the Harry Potter series. They had everything. It was really a great time being there for approx. I guess I was there for 1.5 to 2 hours, and it was really a great time for me. So even if you like books, you should go there. Even if you don't like book, please assist your people, assist your friend who like the book. For example, I was there with a friend of mine, and even she got interested into buying certain books. So yeah, this happens. So ultimately, when you go there, you will be in love with the books, and you will be taking books for you. At least kuch to you will be getting. There were other sections which had the books which were not in the concept of load the box. Yeah, but they were the books I thought that this should have been there in the concept of load the box. But वो पता नहीं वो किताबें वहाँ नहीं थी. But the price of those books, you can easily get those books online at the same price. So I couldn't find that it was that way interesting for me. But yes, I have really enjoyed it. And one more suggestion I'd like to give you is that first go and select the books which you want, right? If you want just 8 to 9 books, you will be able to fit that in this box. बट इफ यू फील दैट आपको बहुत सारी किताब पसंद है तो पहले आप जाके अपने बुक्स खरीद लीजिए जो कि आपको चाहिए, देन यू चूज द बॉक्स, right? Because when you take the box, for example, if you have taken the box of just 1200, so what comes in your mind is कि मैं इतना ही book feed कर सकता हूँ, and you are in love with multiple books. So ultimately, your mind at that time will become, your boundary will become little shorter in that range. So please select the books first and then opt for the box, because if you are a book lover, I don't think the boxes are going to be heavy on your pockets at that time. So yeah, so it was a good experience for me. And if they are coming into your city, I believe you should definitely go and have a visit and should have a try on some of the interesting books जो कि आपके लिस्ट का हिस्सा नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है कि हार्ड कवर बुक्स अगर आपको मिल जाए तो वो बिल्कुल वर्थ इट होती है. इट्स नॉट दैट इजी टू गेट अमेजिंग हार्ड कवर बुक्स, एंड आई फाउंड देम इनटू वेरी गुड क्वालिटी रियली. Of course, they're not used books, and yeah, I'm just excited to go through them, and I'm definitely going to review the books one by one with all of you. So till then, please take care, keep on reading, keep on supporting. Bye bye, take care.